Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to. And today I have my envelopes here. This is the Nail Shack giveaway winners announcement video. 4 winners. I have 3 of the bags here. I have a 4th one that I saved, put away, so I will divide up all of the nail sets, the files, the cuticle pushers, all that good stuff. And we're going to choose the winners of the Nail Shack giveaway. Be back in just a moment, and good luck to all that entered. Okay, and we're back, and I have the YouTube random comment picker up on my laptop. I have put in the, up here, the YouTube right here URL. I filter out duplicate users. There is a keyword. It was nail polish. I already clicked this. We have 60 unique commenters. And let's see if I can get rid of that. And we're just going to have it choose 4 winners to each receive a package with the DIY Nail Shack products. And good luck to everyone. And the winner of the first bag, there are 4 winners, by the way, just to remind you. The winner of bag number 1 is Danyelle. I would assume that's how you say that. That's a great way to spell that. Sinclair. Excuse me. So you are the first winner. Just want to verify. Yes, she did use the proper keyword. So congratulations to Danyelle Sinclair. And we'll reset it up and have it choose winner number 2. And the winner of bag number 2 is Jeans Junk. Just let me scroll down and make sure that you used, okay, I see the word nail polish. So congratulations so far to Danyelle Sinclair and to Jeans Junk. And we have 2 more winners to choose. So we'll be back in just a moment after I reset it all up and choose the winner of 3 and 4. And the 3rd winner is, and you can hear Oreo playing in the background, she's always got to do that, is Heather Starcher. So let me write your name down, Heather. Starcher. You're the winner of package number 3. We'll reset up and have it choose the last winner. And the winner of bag number 4 is Beautifying Em Zee. Let me just scroll to make sure you use the word. Yep, nail polish is in there. So you are the winner of bag number 4. So congratulations to Danyelle Sinclair, Jeans Junk, Heather Starcher, and now Beautifying Em Zee. You have won the Nail Shack giveaway packages. I hope you enjoy them, and congratulations to all 4 of you. There are other giveaways. Don't forget to enter them. You must be an active subscriber for the channel. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and trying to put their best foot forward for this year of 2021. Here in the U.S., it's not been so good out there in the world, but we can only hope it gets better. We don't know that, but only God knows that. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.